Is your appliance repair or HVAC business running a little bit slow right now? Well, check it out. I got a couple of quick tips for you that's going to get that call volume up, keep them calls rolling in. Number one, you need to hit that Nextdoor app. You need to run some ads. You need to get your business page rolling on there, and you need to start getting some other people talking about your services. Number two, I would suggest getting on Facebook. Hit all the groups, local neighborhood groups, buy, sell, and trade groups. If you drive by a neighborhood and you see a sign out by the neighborhood, go ahead and search that group in Facebook right then. Tip number three, you should be posting on your Google business profile videos, posts, updates, and your offer needs to be clear. It needs to be, you need to have an awesome offer, right? $25 off the repair, veteran discount, first responder discount, teacher discounts, right? Whatever, 1-year part and labor warranty, right? Definitely need to be letting people know if we don't satisfy you, you get your money back, right? If we can't fix it, we don't charge you at all. Tip number four, you should be posting videos on YouTube, Twitter, Instagram. If you use TikTok, Facebook, post videos, tag your local city, right? Location, definitely put your location on there. Number five, you should be cold calling property managers and hitting up local businesses in your area to catch overflow work.